Now there is more to the Woodland Wildlife Collection than what I'm showing you, but I'll be bringing in all of the goodies. We're going to start with the luxury topper. This is from our friends at Hunkydory, and this is a full-blown kit. Wait till you see what you've got. There are in total 96 foil die cuts. You can see the beautiful artwork and the gold foiling. There are 8 printed cardstocks and 8 foil cardstocks. So you're going to get two of everything I'm showing you. So you can see this, they're all foiled, they're all die cut, they're just going to pop right out. Then you're going to get a coordinating foiled cardstock and a coordinating printed cardstock. Here we get the barn owl. Again, you get 2 of each, foiled and printed. And here is a kingfisher and a red squirrel, I believe. And then the foiled and the printed. And then we have the mallard and an otter. Look at that. And again, foiled and printed. Now, as I said, you're going to get 2 of each one. In addition, there's an idea sheet with lots of projects to really jumpstart your creativity. And you can see that that insert is a little bit lighter printed, very vibrant colors on all of these, perfect for masculine cards. I know that we're always watching out for that. Now, to coordinate with it, there are the inserts, and these are 36 of them. They have the same artwork that you've just seen, but they are ghosted back. Now, Hunkydory calls these inserts, meaning that they would go inside the cards, but we found that they're really useful not only for the inside, but often for the outside too. And you can see there's the otter, there's the leaves. Very, very, very nice artwork. And in this case, you're going to get 3 of each one for a total of 36. So there you go. So that's the 12, 3 of each. You're going to get 36. So that's the card inserts. There is also a Woodland 6x6 paper pad. We'll get in just a little closer to see this. In this case, there are 48 sheets. You're going to get 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. So let me show them to you. As I said, they're 6x6. They are double-sided. And so you really get a nice look at the artwork. Certainly you can combine all of these elements with each other, as I'm sure you realize. And then we've got some, for the first time I think I've seen this, where we've just got some double-sided papers in here. You are going to get 4 of each, and for a total of 48 sheets. So that is our Woodland Wildlife 6x6. And the last is our adorable scorable. Now in this case, there are 30 sheets. You're going to get 10 colors, and you're going to get 3 of each one. So as you would expect, you're going to get browns and greens to coordinate, a little bit of blue, some white, as well as tan. And there you go. So those are the 10 colors, 3 of each, to go with our adorable scorable Matastic card collection. And the inserts, oh wait, I'm not even done. This time there is also a cutting die, and isn't that beautiful? It's called Falling Leaves. So that's unique. We also have 3 stamps. The first one is Delicate Leaves, so you can see they're just beautiful leaves. There's also a Stacked Logs stamp. And there's also the Tranquil Trees. So we've got stamps, we've got all of our papers that we've come to know and love, and we've got an absolutely wonderful cutting die. All of this is the Woodland Wildlife Collection from Hunkydory. But wait, there's more. I forgot. There's also a Woodland Wildlife. This is an Easel Reveal concept card. Now this is going to make 4 cards, 2 of each, so a total of 8 cards. And I've made one just so that you can see the directions are in the package, and I've done a step-by-step tutorial here at paperwishes.com, so you can just go to this project or this product, and then as I pull this, it is going to lift that up and reveal some information. So not only is everything coordinated, so you can see the deer there, And on the back, that's where you can write your message. And there's also a deer and that wonderful Hunkydory foiling. Okay, now I'm done. That is the complete Woodland Wildlife Collection.